Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, another laundromat review. Today we're going to California, San Diego to be exact. We're going to find a highly rated laundromat. We're going to check it out, see what it's all about. Usually we check out the outside, the inside, the reviews, and give a final thought about the place. So let's get started with our laundromat. Alright, which laundromat should we choose? Wash House, I've heard of that name before. 36 reviews. Let's go with Park Boulevard Laundry and Dry Cleaners. It's got a 4.6, which is pretty solid with 131 reviews. So they're definitely doing something right. And they got a website and directions, so let's see if we can see the outside of the store. Huh, this looks like a small mom and pop shop. Let's see what's going on here. Oh wow, this is not what I was expecting. Let's see if we have a... No street view, a small storefront. Double doors. I don't know if they have AC. The door's wide open. Okay. So this is 2018. This is 2021. Bunch of top loaders here in the front. Dryers all the way right from the front door. Imagine taking one step in the front door and going to the left to do your dry. I don't think I've ever seen a store quite like that. Alright, let's go back to... Okay. So it looks like they got Wascomat dryers. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 pockets at least. I don't know if there might be some more over here. Hipsh washers. These are the triple loaders, it looks like. I don't know if that's 32 quarters or 32 minutes. Either way, that's high. Okay. Pretty nice. Got that built-in folding tables right there. Okay, this is a scene going out to the front of the store. The top loaders. Dryers right here. Looks like you got like a beige or yellow. Hipsh, you free soap. I don't know if you have to go up to the attendant to get that or it's automatically injected into the machines, kind of like the Tide laundromat. Probably they get it from the attendant. Okay, and another picture of this. Not a lot of pictures inside the store. Let's see what else we got. Stock photos. Oh, there you go. So looks like under the dryers, they have the drop-off counter. Look, they got ice cream. These are all photos you should have in your Google listings so you can see the whole store. We had a couple of machines that were like cropped off weird. You know, I want to see the store. I want to see how it looks and feels before I go in there. Here, more stock photos, stock photos, stock photos. You know, this is a highly rated store, so even if the store doesn't look that nice, if they have the customer service to back it up. Alright, cartoons, cartoons. Oh, here's a video.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.
Yeah, close-up pictures of the washers are not helping me out at all. What's going on in this picture? Looks like somebody's getting tortured. Man, they sure love posting memes and cartoons and stock photos. And just take a picture of the store. Stand right here in the door and take a picture of the whole store just so we can get a view of what the store looks like. I still don't know if I'm gonna go in here and get my laundry done or get shot. Based on the good reviews, I would imagine that this is a nice place, but I can't really tell the vibe. Oh, here's Street View. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Pizzeria, bar right there. Parking obviously is going to be a problem. It's all metered. It says there's parking in the back. Looks like, here, this is the best we can see the inside. Ozzy. Looks like the big machines in the back. Some patio furniture right there. Maybe top loaders, 1 row, 2 rows of machines. Come on, bud. 2 rows of machines. There's the gas meter right there. Oh, here we go. This looks like a video. Here we go. Looks like some water damage. LED lights are kind of goofy. But nice clean store. Goes back more like a bowling alley store. Where it's really skinny. Really skinny. TV in the back. A clock in the back. Okay, let's check out those reviews. You know, this is one of those mom and pop stores. And I know you guys comment that these big stores are taking over these mom and pops, but if you provide good customer service, you can compete. Let's see what the reviews say. Let's see if that backs up my my thought process. People appreciate good customer service. Oh, here we go. Free soap, free ice cream. Five stars because they used a wash and fold. Place was super clean, nice and friendly staff. It's a laundromat. Middle of the road, we still got 4 stars. Staff is friendly and helpful. Seems like a recurring staff was very friendly. Paul's a good dude. Best place for dry cleaning. Okay, here's a 1-star review. Let's look at this. I started coming here twice a week for the last couple of months. On more than one occasion, the employee was not wearing masks. This morning I left before I started my laundry and confirmed that one of the 3 people working there was wearing a mask if they were open. If they all wear masks. He said yes. Dry cleaning here's ooh, excuse me. Dry cleaning is best in town. A lot of good reviews, a lot of good customer service. All right, let's see some bad reviews. We saw the one where they weren't wearing masks. If somebody calls and asks if you're wearing masks, make sure you wear masks that day. Never seen any last load signs. Wash doesn't even take an hour. It doesn't know why I can't get my wash in. Huh, water was gone. They have a minimum for dry cleaning. I came to do laundry, as I do every week. And this time the girl told me there's no restroom, even though they have one and I've used it, and I'm a customer. Strange. Don't go here, very expensive. No bathrooms. And then jumps up to the 4-star reviews. So, nice little place. They offer amenities like the wash and fold, dry cleaning. And they have, looks like 3 staff members on site at sometimes. So, you don't have to worry about, and nice looking neighborhood. Go in there, get your laundry done. Have some ice cream. If you've ever been to the store, let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you next time.